Hello everyone, today we're going to be opening up a Hairdorables Hairmazing Callie. It's going to be lots of fun.
Yeah, I'm ready to get started. Me too, let's get started.
First we got to take off the plastic wrap. How does this thing open? Alright, so now we should be able to get right into it. Just had to take the plastic wrapping off the front. There we go. Slide that out. Here we've got our runway, which can open up. Now we're going to open up our blind packs and see what we got. Number one. See what we got in here. Now in this one we got our doll's shoes. Now in number two, let's open it up. We got a visor. Now in number three, see what we got in this one. We got a pair of glasses. And we also got a belt. Now let's open up number four and see what we got. Got a couple things in here. Let's open it up. We got pieces of our doll stand and our comb. And the other piece is next to our doll, which we will get out now. I'm getting her out now. And now she is out. So I'm going to put her accessories on and we'll check her out some more. Now, I don't really like the sunglasses because they don't have any lenses. And the belt will not fit. But otherwise, she really isn't that bad. For $20, you can't really expect too much right now. So it's not a bad deal. And if you hear anything in the background, that's my neighbors. So hopefully I won't get a copyright strike for that. And I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye now.